I will run the code and show the output to you. This is a calculator again. With the up, down, and O, there is 86 target. I hit the ball and try to hit the target. So I increase it. So I don't win the game. Score is 18, 19. Score is increasing, but I don't win the game because the target is 86. Game over. Press enter to start again. Now I will explain the code to you. This is all code for this game. Py game library is used for this and math and timing library is used for this. There is all the other variables. This is a startup game, polling number. This is a class and this is a polling name and polling the number and this is a draw the number. This is a bullet code and this is a new targets swam number code and this is a apply opposite code, a proxy equal code and this is a draw hard top info panel. What is which is shown in the screen, that is a draw hard format number code. Code is really complex. If not, game over. Proxy equal between true, game over, true time. This is a code for maximum is. If maximum is equal to greater than equal, game equal to 2 and game is over. Maximum is a 8 and screen fill. This is a code of game over and if target is game is win. This is all code. I explained the code well. Uh, I hope you understand the basic of this Python. So you understand the code. Now I upload the video on YouTube, Facebook, and LinkedIn. You will enjoy the video and